Assalamu alaikum everyone. Good morning to all of you. How are you all today? I hope you are all fine by the grace of Allah and I am also fine. Now I would like to share something about myself. My full name is Muhammad Jahidul Islam Remote and my short name is Muhammad Jahid. You can call me Jahid and you can call me Jahid. I am from Noakhali district, Noakhali, which is located sub-district Sonaipur and district Noakhali. And by the way, I am a student of Hazrat Maaz Radiallahu Ta'ala Anhu Madrasa. It is a very famous madrasa and Jodhpur village. My teacher's name is Hafiz Maulana Abdul Qayyum Shahid. Huzur. He is a good teacher, Arabic, and my English teacher's name is Mahmoud Sir, and he is a good English teacher. Currently, I am 15 years old. Now, I want to be an Islamic scholar in my future. Now, my father's name is Muhammad Zohirul Islam, and he is a job holder, and my mother's name is Akli Akhtar. She is a housewife. My village name is Jogjanpur, and which is located Noakhali, sub-district, Sonaipur district, Noakhali. And I have we are five members in our happy family. I have no brothers and two sisters. My favorite game is football. Yeah. In my free time, I like to football, especially in my free time, new reading books, and that's all about. Thanks. Assalamu alaikum.